Good morning, another day in paradise, day 3, and today we're going to cycle to Ajuy. See you on the roads. Peace. E-bikes, cheaters. Hello, so here we are, day number 3 of my trip. And today, you see, I got the saddlebag mounted. I'm all packed up because I'm going to another location. I'm going to Ajuy, which is about a 70-kilometer ride with a lot of climbing. Yesterday, yeah, it was a really great ride with about 700 meters of climbing. Today it will be somewhere 1300, 1400 meters. We're going to the real mountains. Ajuy is on the west, let me think again, yes, on the west coast. And yeah, 1300 meters of climbing with a fully loaded bike, so that will be a bit more, it will be pretty tough. Weather is great again. Looking also at the forecast for tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. Some rain is expected, and I saw also for tomorrow quite some heavy wind. So, okay, see you later on the road. Howdo! Okay, how are we gonna do this? So much. Hello, little friend. Hey. Okay, time for some lunch. Goodies from the breakfast buffet. Thanks, Riu. Lovely church. Hello. So here we are in Tindaya, I think that was a pretty authentic village, Canarian village still. Not taken over by tourism, so it looks nice. Okay, so that guy standing over there must be Anumuno. Beautiful valley here. I think the sign here it says that I'll be going to Rincon del Pescado. Ja, een kleurtje. Crossing the road, going back to gravel. Yes. Yeah, it's actually olive trees. They tried to grow some olives here. Hello! So the real climbing started. Still on the asphalt here. Ah man, I think it's about another 20 kilometers with a lot of climbing. Weather's changing a bit, it's getting fresh, it's getting more chilly. Huh? Okay, dat was het asfalt. Okay. So much for the asphalt. It is walking time. En de wandelaar. some drops of rain. Hope it doesn't get worse. Ooh. No rain, please. I'm almost there. The final part should be really steep. I think I'm gonna continue on road. Hallo Fuerteventura! How do? Sometimes pushing doesn't work either, so I just have to carry it. And push again. Man, really nice. Whatever. Hello. Stop and put on my raincoat before I reach the top because it's not really bad the rain, but it does get me wet, and on the top of the hill the wind will be even worse than it is now, so then you get really cold really quickly. So put on my rain jacket and yeah, let's continue. Hello guys. Just passed through Betancuria. It's really nice. It's the former capital of the island. Really nice to visit. But so I think I'm going to continue the rest of my journey via road. Let's see that I really know where I'm going. For now, it's a little bit downhill. Man, it was a steep climb, and it was cold. But now on this side, there's no wind, no rain. I feel the temperature rising. See you later. Phew! Well, it's getting warmer again. I'm not sure where I am and how far it actually is till the next village, in which I need to go to a shop and then to my end point. Can't be too far away, but I need to start climbing a little bit again, so gonna take off my raincoat, otherwise it gets too hot again. Clean up my glasses, have some banana, and then go for the final stretch. Amazing! Wow! Echt mooi, man. Awesome. Up and up and up. I think I reached the top. Wow, man, look at this. Anyhow, I think I planned this route actually for a little bit later in the week from Las Playitas. But oh, hello, little fellow. Hello, hello, little fellow. Yeah, but it's such a great ride, so I don't mind doing it again. We're in Pajara right now. I had to change the memory card of the GoPro, so that's what I did. Pretty nice place here. However, everything looks pretty close, and I was hoping to find a shop open to buy some groceries for tonight and tomorrow morning, because in Ajuy there's nothing there. This is the apartment, but the people that's supposed to give me the key are not here. Did manage to score 2 beers, 2 packets of crisps, so much for dinner.